नमस्कार नमस्सभायै ओंकारं बिंदु संयुक्तं नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः. Omkara, the confluence of three prime principles of wealth: wealth of knowledge, wealth of prosperity, and wealth of courage, personified as goddesses Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Parvati, respectively, when worshipped in the form of various notes, manifests itself as divine music that refines mind and sanctifies soul. Music is the best healer for all kinds of troubles, termed collectively as tapatrayas, Adi Bhautika, Adi Daivika, and Adi Jaivika, the natural calamities, curses and sins, and the ailments, all rolled into one, the ongoing pandemic and the natural disasters. We have been undergoing these problems since past, and the present is no exception. But every time, it is music that has bestowed solace, strengthening our souls from within. One such prompt endeavor for global peace, rather, many such prompt endeavors to keep you all entertained, enthralled, and educated about music and the whole horizon of music is Dasasmarani, a very divine and a soulful worship of Haridasa compositions, the Vadya Goshti or the Laya Sangeeta, and the present music ensemble in the form of film music through the vocals and the playings of Carnatic classical musicians. A soulful worship of music, a joyful celebration of art and heart, a performance with a difference in its approach. Classical musicians rejoicing, singing and playing film songs of serene class is right here. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you a combined effort of three prestigious art institutions stationed beyond borders, connected soulfully through the medium of art. Here is a very brief introduction about the three esteemed art institutions. Jiva Arts Festival is committed to bringing Indian classical music and dance to the community of Louisville, KY, USA, and its vicinity. It is run by the non-profit organization Guru Vandana Academy 501c3, headed by the super talented Akhila Ayerji. Guru Vandana Academy was established in 2012. Since then, the festival has brought over hundreds of artists to this community during the annual 3-day celebration. The festival also honors one deserving artist with the Jiva Lifetime Achievement Award. In order to further the mission of Guru Vandana Academy, the organization also provides free workshops and lessons in various Indian classical styles, dance styles, some of which reach out directly to the theatre and dance students of non-Indian origin. Having become an integral part of the Indian classical scene of North America, the Jiva Arts Festival serves as a hub for many artists and art lovers alike. Saptaswara is a non-profit organization that was formed in 1995 in Louisville, Kentucky by Kirti Kemparaj Aras to promote, propagate, preserve, and encourage Carnatic music and South Indian dance forms. Each year, it has been instrumental in bringing a variety of artists to the area, from the senior-most to the budding upcoming talents. It's been blessed by continuing support from the community as well as several other musicians who make it a point to always offer their concerts in Louisville. This organization particularly highlights Mysore composers and encourages performing artists to offer multiple Devaranamas in their befitting concerts. Many concerts also serve as fundraising events to the Hindu Temple of Kentucky. It has sponsored concerts and dance performances each year since its inception and hopes to continue for the next generation. The third institution that I'm going to talk about is our dear own Sangeeta Sambhrama, a reputable institution headed, directed by Karnataka Kalashri Vidushi Dr. Pustakam Rama, that is involved in and actively contributed to the propagation of Indian classical art, particularly in Bangalore, for the past 36 years. Sangeeta Sambhrama is committed to enhancing the artistic knowledge of today's youth through practical and theoretical education. They work to provide a venue for today's youth to explore their rich cultural heritage through expression and artistic journey. Furthermore, they expose the youth to the local community to an array of entertainment featuring India's most esteemed world renowned artists. This coveted institution has educated hundreds of students and has provided them with training in various vocal forms like Carnatic, classical, Devaranama, and light music. Repeat, they have given training in various vocal forms like Carnatic classical, Devaranama, and light music. Ladies and gentlemen, a confluence of three coveted prestigious art institutions, a great time to enjoy, sit back, and relax with the music. Music magic, all the way to you. Enjoy.
Namaskaram to everyone. Today, I'm so happy to tell you that we have a great celebrity and a personality with us. Shri T.S. Nagabharana sir, who's a very acclaimed internationally and nationally known theatre and movie personality. I welcome you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for coming here, and we are honored that you are telling about all the movies and all the details of the movies. We are ever grateful to you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. So nice of you. Of course, it's a great opportunity for me to go for a memory so that I can remember all the great filmy songs. And you are presenting all of them here, and I'm part of it. I'm very lucky to be part of this. Namaskara. Namaskarmo. Namaste. Vanakkam. Namaskara. Namaskarmo. Vanakkam. Namaste. My dear friends, welcome all of you to the world of music. Bharat, India, is a cluster of different languages, different cultures, so much of diversity. But there is one unifying force, that is music. It doesn't have any bias. It blends our emotion, unites our culture, brings oneness. Let's present the precious jewels of our Mahan Bharat, golden memories of immortal film songs for you. Nudi mana Shiva guna sankirtana. I think by this time you know what is the song is. Film Swarna Gauri, and the lyric writer is none other than S.K. Karim Khan, a folklore expert. And the music by M. Venkataraju. Singers are Dr. P.B. Srinivas and P. Sushila. Among the stalwart music directors of Kannada film industry, M. Venkataraju stands unique. He became immortal through his music, though he physically lived a short span of life. He composed music for 8 Kannada, 4 Telugu, and 3 Tamil films. But all of them are great gems. He got a lovely lilting tune inspired by the sound of horse cart as he was traveling. The cart driver asked about the destination. Sir, where to go? He said, keep moving till I finalize this beautiful tune. A song born out of such inspiration is none other than Nudi Mana Shiva Guna Sankirtana.
ओंकारनाद स्वरूपा बालेन्दु भूषण कलापा निगम भुवन दीपा नटराजा नमामि नटराजा नमामि
ನುಡಿ ಮನ ಶಿವಗುಣ ಸಂಕೀರ್ತನ ನುಡಿ ಮನ ಶಿವಗುಣ ಸಂಕೀರ್ತನ ನಿಜ ಪದ ಪಾವನ ನೋಡಿ ಪಾಡುವೆನ ನಿಜ ಪದ ಪಾವನ ನೋಡಿ ಪಾಡುವೆನ ನುಡಿ ಮನ ಶಿವಗುಣ ಸಂಕೀರ್ತನ
नाट्यलीला नटनालो
ri ga ri sa ni sa pa ma da pa ma ga ri sa ni ri ga ri ga ma da ni ri ni sa da ni pa da ma pa ga sa ni ri da pa ma ga ri sa ni ri sa.
Saptapadi, a film directed by K. Vishwanath, got him the National Film Award for National Integrations. It has the masterly music composition of K.V. Mahadevan. The song Akhilandeshwari was sung enormously rich by P. Sushila and S.P. Balasubramaniam. It got further glorified by the dance of a veteran classical dancer. This movie emerged as a visual poetry that remains firmly in the minds of movie lovers till date. Saptapadi film, lyrics by Velluri Sundararamoorthy, music by K.V. Mahadevan, singers S.P. Balasubramaniam and P. Sushila, Akhilandeshwari.
ओङ्कारपञ्जरशुकी
उपनिषदुद्यान केळिकलकण्ठी
आगमविपिनमयूरीम्
आर्याम् अन्तर्विभावयेत् गौरी
तां तकजं तरिता तदिगिणतं तकनकजं तरितै तदिगिणतं तां तकजं तकनकजं तज्जं तदिगिणतं तदिगिणतं
अखिलाण्डेश्वरी चामुण्डेश्वरी पालय मां गौरी
परिपालय मां गौरी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी चामुण्डेश्वरी पालय मां गौरी
परिपालय मां गौरी
तां तत्नीं तकदिमि तकजण्णु तां तत्नीं तकदिमि तकजण्णु तद्धि तुं नं तरगडदुं
शुभगात्री गिरिराजपुत्री
अभिनेत्री शर्वार्धगात्री
शुभगात्री गिरिराजपुत्री
अभिनेत्री शर्वार्धगात्री
सर्वार्थ संधात्री जगदेक जनयित्री चन्द्रप्रभाधवल कीर्ति
सर्वार्ध संधात्री जगदेक जनयित्री
चन्द्रप्रभाधवल कीर्ति चतुर्बाहु संरक्षित शिक्षित चतुर्दशान्तर भुवन पालिनी
कुङ्कुमराग शोभिनी
कुसुम बाण संशोभिनी मौन सुहासिनी गान विनोदिनी भगवती पार्वती देवी
अखिलाण्डेश्वरी चामुण्डेश्वरी पालय मां गौरी
परिपालय मां गौरी
तदीं तच्चं तकजं तरगडदुं तदीं तच्चं तकजं तरगडदुं तकदीं तकपदीं तां तकदिमि तज्जण्णु तां
श्रीहरि प्रणयाम्बुराशी
श्रीपाद विचलित क्षीराम्बुराशी
श्रीहरि प्रणयाम्बुराशी
श्रीपाद विचलित क्षीराम्बुराशी
श्रीपीठ संवर्धिनी डोलासुरमर्धिनी
ಶ್ರೀಪೀಠ ಸಂವರ್ಧಿನಿ ಡೋಲಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ
ಧನಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಧಾನ್ಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಧೈರ್ಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ
ಧನಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಧಾನ್ಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಧೈರ್ಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ
ಆದಿಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಗಜಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಸಂತಾನಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ
ಸಕಲ ಭೋಗ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ
ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ದೇವಿ
ಅಖಿಲಾಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ಪಾಲಯ ಮಾಂ ಗೌರಿ
ಪರಿಪಾಲಯ ಮಾಂ ಗೌರಿ
ತಕ್ಕದಿವಿ ತಕ್ಕ ಜುಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕದಿವಿ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣುತ ತಕ್ಕ ಜುಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕದಿವಿ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕದಿವಿ ತೋಂ
ಇಂದುವದನೆ ಕುಂದರದನೆ ವೀಣಾ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಧಾರಿಣಿ
ಇಂದುವದನೆ ಕುಂದರದನೆ ವೀಣಾ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಧಾರಿಣೆ
ಶುಕ ಶೌನಕಾದಿ ವ್ಯಾಸ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಮುನಿ ಜನ ಪೂಜಿತ ಶುಭ ಚರಣೆ
ಶುಕ ಶೌನಕಾದಿ ವ್ಯಾಸ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಮುನಿ ಜನ ಪೂಜಿತ ಶುಭ ಚರಣೆ
ಸರಸ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಸ್ವರಸ ಸಂಗೀತ ಸ್ತನಯುಗಳೇ
ತಕ್ಕ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ತ
ಸರಸ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಸ್ವರಸ ಸಂಗೀತ ಸ್ತನಯುಗಳೇ
ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತ
ವರದೆ ಅಕ್ಷರ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ಶಾರದೆ ದೇವಿ
ಅಖಿಲಾಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ಪಾಲಯ ಮಾಂ ಗೌರಿ ಪರಿಪಾಲಯ ಮಾಂ ಗೌರಿ
ಸಿಂಹಾಟವಿ ವಾಸಿನೇ ಯೋಗ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಸಮುದ್ಧಾಸಿನೇ
ಸಿಂಹಾಸನಸ್ಥಾಯಿನೇ ದುಷ್ಟಹರ ರಂಭ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಶಾಲಿನೇ
ವಿಷ್ಣು ಪ್ರಿಯೆ ಸರ್ವಲೋಕ ಪ್ರಿಯೆ
ಸರ್ವನಾಮ ಪ್ರಿಯೇ ಧರ್ಮ ಸಮರ ಪ್ರಿಯೇ
ಹೇ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಚಾರಿಣಿ
ದುಷ್ಕರ್ಮ ವಾರಿಣಿ
ಹೇ ವಿಲಂಬಿತ ಕೇಶಪಾಶಿನೇ
ಮಹಿಷಮರ್ದನಶೀಲ ಮಹಿತ ಗರ್ಜನ ಲೋಲ ಭಯದ ನರ್ತನ ಕೇಳಿಕೆ ಕಾಳಿಕೆ ದುರ್ಗಮಾಗಮ ದುರ್ಗಮಾಲಿನೇ ದುರ್ಗೆ ದೇವಿ
The great film Thiruvarut Selvam hit the screen in 1967 under the able direction of Sri A.P. Nagarjuna again. Greats like Shivaji Ganeshan, Gemini Ganeshan, Savitri, Padmini were in the star cast. Renowned actress Sri Vidya came to limelight through this movie as a child artist. This musical movie received music direction from legendary K.V. Mahadevan. P. Sushila was a new introduction in this. She was rehearsing the song time and again, but got nervous in the presence of Shivaji Ganeshan. And understanding this, Shivaji Ganeshan left the hall, after which she sang courageously and it became a trendsetter. Even today, this song is undoubtedly one of the best in Kalyani Raga. Mannavan Vandanadi. Film Thiruvarut Selvam. Lyric Kannadasan. Music K.V. Mahadevan. Sung by P. Sushila.
மன்னவள் வந்தானடி தோழி
ರೀತ ದಣ್ಣ ತರಿದ ದಣದ ಜಣದ ಜಣ್ಣು ತದ್ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ಜಣದ ದಿಮ್ಮದ ಕಿಟದಿ ತಂಗಡದ ದರಗಿಡದ ದರಗಿಡದಾಂಗಡದ ದರಗಿಡದ ತಗದಿತ್ತಂಗಡದ ದರಗಿಡದ ದತ್ತ
திருமலர் மணமுற குருநகை நலமேற மலவீசி வந்திட கனிதழ் கனிதிடவே மன்னவன் வந்தானடி தித்தித்தாலது சம்பொற்கிண்ணம் தத்தித்தாவிடம் தங்கக்கிண்ணம் சித்தத்தாலொரு காதற் சின்னம் தத்தித்தாவின காளை முன்னம் என் மன்னவன் விரைவினில் நீ மனமலர் தாத்தா திருமார்பா தாமதமாமா மயிரனை காகா விரைவினில் நீ மனமலர் திருமார்பா தாமதமா மயிரனை கா நீரபமக சா சதமத தலைவா ரே ரி கம பரணி சா வா கருணை தலைவா மதினிகு முதல்வா பரம்பொருள் இறையாரா தனிமயில் வரவா திருவருள் வீரவா நாடும் பொறிகள் மன்னவா வந்தானடி
Bolere Papihara, film Goody, directed by Hrishikesh Mukherjee. Music by Vasant Desai, lyrics by Gulzar and singer Vani Jairam. This movie gave a great breakthrough to Vani Jairam in professional life. A child prodigy, Vani Jairam, who recognized ragas right at the age of 2, gave first full-fledged public performance at the age of 8. She gained nationwide fame through the album Runanubandhacha of Kumara Gandharva. This particular song is in Rag Miyakhi Malhar, gained wide popularity. It gained wide popularity. Many stalwarts, including Amitabh Bachchan, they were in the star cast. Bolere Papihara, film Goody, sung by Vani Jairam.
Bulire papihara, papihara, bulire papihara, papihara. नित धन बरसी, नित मन प्यासा, नित धन प्यासा, नित मन तरसी. बोले रे पपीहरा, बोले रे पपीहरा, पपीहरा, बोले रे पपीहरा. हरा बोले रे पपी हरा सावन जो संदेशा लाए सावन जो संदेशा लाए तेरी आँख से मोती आए तेरी आँख से मोती आए दान मिले बाबुल के घर से दान मिले बाबुल के घर से नित मन प्यासा नित मन तरसे बोले रे पपी हरा बोले रे पपी हरा बोले रे पपी हरा
Lali Lali, Swati Mutyam. The three great artifacts of Dada Saheb Phalke awardee K. Vishwanath starring Kamal Haasan were Sagara Sangamam, Shubha Sankalpam and Swati Mutyam. Swati Mutyam witnessed a legendary enactment by Kamal Haasan as a mentally challenged person. Stays green in the minds of movie lovers even today. This movie was remade in Tamil as Sippukul Muttu, Ishwar in Hindi, and Swati Muttu in Kannada. Whatever said and done, the beauty of the original Telugu version is incomparable. This lullaby sung by P. Sushila pleased and caressed onlookers with tender motherly affection and gained wide acclaim. The movie was conferred with many coveted awards, including a national award, and screened in many international festivals. Lali Lali, Swati Mutyam, film, lyric Dr. C. Narayan Reddy, music by Ilayaraja, and singer none other than P. Sushila. Lali Lali.
लाली 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 वटपत्र सायिकी वरहाल लाली राजीव नेत्रुनिकी रतनाल लाली वटपत्र सायिकी वरहाल लाली राजीव नेत्रुनिकी रतनाल लाली అలమేలుపతికి అనమయ్య లాలి అలమేలుపతికి అనమయ్య లాలి కోదండ రామునికి గోపయ్య లాలి కోదండ రామునికి గోపయ్య లాలి శ్యామళాంగునికి శ్యామయ్య లాలి శ్యామళాంగునికి శ్యామయ్య లాలి ఆగమనుతునికి త్యాగయ్య లాలి వటపత్ర సాయికి వరహాల లాలి రాజీవ నేత్రునికి రతనాల లాలి మురిపాల కృష్ణునికి ముత్యాల లాలి జగవేలు స్వామికి పగడాల లాలి వటపత్ర సాయికి వరహాల లాలి రాజీవ నేత్రునికి రతనాల లాలి 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 లాలి
Babru Vahana, directed by Hunsur Krishnamurthy, and lyrics composed by T.G. Lingappa. And can you believe who is the singer? Dr. Rajkumar. Aradisuve Madhanari. A classic combination of Dr. Rajkumar and Sri Hunsur Krishnamurthy has enthralled movie lovers in celebrated movies like Satya Harishchandra, Bhakta Kumbhara, and so many. Another great movie in the same genre is Babru Vahana, with its scintillating storyline from Jaimani Mahabharata. The globally adored song Aradisuve features Dr. Rajkumar in 9 vivid forms, all at a time using the then developed camera tricks. You can do it now, today, but on that day. Navarupa of Arjuna by Dr. Rajkumar in Navarupas, it was the hit point. The one and only singer, actor, Dr. Rajkumar.
ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ಮದನಾರಿ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ಮದನಾರಿ ಆದರಿಸೂನಿ ದಯ ತೋರಿ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ಮದನಾರಿ ಅಂತರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವೆ ಅಂತರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವೆ ಆಂತರ್ಯ ತಿಳಿಯದೆ ಏಕಿರುವೆ ಆಂತರ್ಯ ತಿಳಿಯದೆ ಏಕಿರುವೆ ಸಂತತ ನಿನ್ನ ಸಹವಾಸ ನೀಡಿ ಸಂತತ ನಿನ್ನ ಸಹವಾಸ ನೀಡಿ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದೆನ್ನ ನಲಿಸೆಂದು ಕೋರುವೆ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ಮದನಾರಿ ಸಹಕರಿಸು ಸಹಕರಿಸು ಆಮರನು ರವಣೆ ಪರಿಹರಿಸು ಮೈ ತೋರಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸು ಆಮರನು ರವಣೆ ಪರಿಹರಿಸು ಪ್ರೇಮಾಮೃತವನು ಪ್ರೇಮಾಮೃತವನು ನೀನುಣಿಸು ಪ್ರೇಮಾಮೃತವನು ನೀನುಣಿಸು ತನ್ಮಯಗೊಳಿಸು ಮೈ ಮರೆಸು ತನ್ಮಯಗೊಳಿಸು ಮೈ ಮರೆಸು ಚಿನ್ಮಯ ಭಾವ ತುಂಬುತ್ತ ಜೀವ ಚಿನ್ಮಯ ಭಾವ ತುಂಬುತ್ತ ಜೀವ ಆನಂದ ಆನಂದ ಆನಂದವಾಗಲಿ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ಮದನಾರಿ ಸನಿದಪಮ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ಪದನಿ ಸತ್ತಮ ಪದನಿ ನೀ ಸನಿದಪಮ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ಸಾ ಸ ಸ ಸ ಗರಿ ಸ ಗರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ನಿ ರಿ ರಿ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ತ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ 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 ಗ ರಿ 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 ಗ ರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ಪದ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಸ ದ ದ ದ ನಿ ರಿ 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 ದ ಗ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ರಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ರಿ ರಿ ಗ ರಿ ರಿ ಗ ರಿ 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 ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಗ ರಿ ದ ಗ ರಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ರಿ ದ ಗ ರಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ರಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ರಿ ದ ನಿ ರಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಸ ನಿ ರಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ನಿ ದ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಸ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ಮದನಾರಿ ತರಿತ್ತ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿತ್ತ ಜಣ್ಣು ತರಿತ್ತ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮಿತ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಾಂಗಡದ ಅಂಗಡದ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಂಗಡದ ಅಂಗಡದ ತತ್ತಂಗಡದೋಂ ತಗದಿತ್ತಂಗಡದೋಂ ತರಗಿಡದೋಂ ತರಗಿಡದೋಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು 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 ತ ದಿಂಗಿ ನ ತುಂ ತದಿಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತದಿಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತದಿಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತ ದಿಂಗಿ ನ ತುಂ ತದಿಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತದಿಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತದಿಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತ ದಿಂಗಿ ನ ತುಂ ತದಿಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತದಿಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತದಿಗಿಣ ತುಂ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ಮದನಾರಿ ಆಧರಿಸೂನಿ ದಯ ತೋರಿ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ಮದನಾರಿ
Dear friends, Vijayavani is a movie produced by a senior actress and first ever producer of Kannada film industry, M.V. Rajamma. Ramamurthy was the director, and the story talks about two young girls with great self-esteem. The lyrics for songs is by R.N. Jaigopal and sung by two nightingales, S. Janaki and Vani Jairam. Madhumasa Chandrama, film Vijayavani, lyrics by R.N. Jaigopal, music by Rajan Nagendra, and sung by S. Janaki and Vani Jairam.
ನೈದಿಲಿಗೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಮಧುಮಾಸ ಚಂದ್ರಮ ನೈದಿಲಿಗೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಒಲವಿನ ನೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀ ತಂದೆ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ಮಧುಮಾಸ ಚಂದ್ರಮ ನೈದಿಲಿಗೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಮಧುಮಾಸ ಚಂದ್ರಮ ನೈದಿಲಿಗೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಒಲವಿನ ನೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀ ತಂದೆ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ಮಧುಮಾಸ ಚಂದ್ರಮ ನೈದಿಲಿಗೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ನಾ ಪ್ರೇಮದರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಭೋಗ ಸಿರಿಯನು ಕಂಡೆ ನಾ ಪ್ರೇಮದರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಭೋಗ ಸಿರಿಯನು ಕಂಡೆ ನನ್ನೆದೆಯ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನದಿ ನೀ ರಾಜ್ಯವಾಳಿದೆ ಈ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಳಿನ ಪುಟದಿ ಅನುರಾಗ ಕವಿತೆಯ ಬರೆದೆ ನಾನಾಗ ಭಾವದ ಹೊಳೆಯ ಅಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲಿದೆ ಅಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲಿದೆ ಮಧುಮಾಸ ಚಂದ್ರಮ ನೈದಿಲಿಗೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಮಧುಮಾಸ ಚಂದ್ರಮ ನೈದಿಲಿಗೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ರಸಪೂರ್ಣ ಮೈತ್ರಿಯ ಸಮಯ ನೂರಾಸೆ ಕಡಲಿದು ಹೃದಯ ರಸಪೂರ್ಣ ಮೈತ್ರಿಯ ಸಮಯ ನೂರಾಸೆ ಕಡಲಿದು ಹೃದಯ ನೀ ನಡೆಸು ಅಂಬಿಗನಾಗಿ ಒಲವೆಂಬ ನೌಕೆಯ ಬಂಗಾರ ತೀರರೋ ಏರಿ ನಾನಿನ್ನ ಸಂಗತಿ ಬೆರೆವೆ ಸುಖವೆಂಬ ಉಯ್ಯಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಖ ನಿನ್ನ ತೂಗುವೆ ಹಾಯಾಗಿ ತೂಗುವೆ ಮಧುಮಾಸ ಚಂದ್ರ